world is facing a lot of challenges in this day and age. And one of the most rampant issues, specifically here in the Philippines, is human trafficking. So what is human trafficking?
Human trafficking is also known as trafficking in person. It's a crime that involves compelling or coercing a person to provide labor or services or to engage in commercial sex acts.
So from this issue, we interviewed more than 100 BCC students from different courses and asked, what do you think is the reason why there are victims of human trafficking?
By the way, good morning. For me, human trafficking is, we all know that Philippines, money ang pinaka-reason nga no, ang poverty. So, daghan og mga tao nga naga-biktima or gina-advantage nila ang mga tao. So, like for example is sa bukid. So, ang bukid is gina-pursige nila ang mga tao through ng scam. So, nila nga gina-gift good nila, gina-change gift nila nga about sa kanang money good. Then ang mga tao is kanang murag mo kuan mo gusto gani kanang mo go sa ilhang gina-offer nila. It's because nga ang mga tao is tungod sa poverty is daghan kay mga tao nagabuhat og kanang mga mali gani. Kaya syempre gina-sustain nila ang unsay mga needs nila kanila kada adlaw. So mo na reason nga ang mga tao is makabuhat og mga mali. So kana.
Hello everyone, in my own perspective of human trafficking and the cause of the human trafficking. First is it has two types of human trafficking, the legal and the illegal. So it could be someone is forced or napugos siya nga buhaton or kanang ihapong on will kay ang inungdan man gud ana is first ang poverty, naglisod sila, nagdid silang kwarta. So yung nauna wala sila yung choice kundi ibigay ang iyang sariling lawas and pwede po nga ang isa ka tao is nagkakos yung human trafficking because nanginanglan siya part sa lawas na like self-satisfaction, need niya sex or need niya mga part sa lawas mo ang nagayuman na nagkakos yung human trafficking.
So, naay mga tao na mabiktima og human trafficking kay of course wala man sila yung mga kwarta na so kapit na lang sila sa patalim without knowing na pwede sila na makulong ato ilahang ginabuhat pero wala na nila ginaisip ang long term na result kay of course mas need man nila ang today kaysa sa tomorrow.
So para sa kuha, ang dahilan nganong mahitabo ang human trafficking is ang isa sa mga factor is ang poverty. So tungod sa kapobrehon sa isa ka tao is mangita siya og opportunities ba para makuha iyang panginahanglan. So ang isa ka tao is mag-try og new opportunities bantog para sa kuha dali ra siya mailad or basta mailad dito sa iyang siya ang panginahanglan.
Nganong na mabiktima sa human trafficking, it's because karon kay digital world at mga social media pa kasagaran ang mabiktima ng mga bata nga wala ni gaylan sa parents kasi na sila ka chat na one day ay hindi tumakuha na ba kamay like to anak or sa mga sindikato inggan nyo sila magpagkita.
Question I know is why do exist human trafficking in our country? So ang very common factors sa human trafficking is also known as poverty. Like for example is like dari sa tuwang country is gamay lang ang minimum wage sa income. So mo to mapugos jud sila sa mapugos sila sa land bansa para mo trabaho dito kay dako man nilang dako man income sa sa land country. So if dariya napod na isa ka example sa human trafficking anong dagag mailad lang lack of educational mao na sila wala sila kalibutan sa tanan na buhat sa dariya about human trafficking.
Siguro na yung mga kikuma sa human trafficking siguro sila ilang diktanan ba wala sila na-educate ng parents so wala na-educate about dapat pag-raise ng children ba so wala na ng children na bawal na ikan mo, bawal na pag student of danger. Hindi nga naman sila nag-guide klaro. Kung siguro, so, na ay human trafficking, human trafficking.
So, basically reason nga nung naay mabiktima sa human trafficking is because lack of awareness and lack of education. Tungod, wala sila any idea nga unsa nang human wala sila any idea kung unsa na lang nasudlan. Wala sila idea nga human trafficking na diay na tungod nagsalig sila dako sa tao. Wala sila kay idea kung unsa to ilahang gisudlan. And of course, additionally na is financial problem. Kita gud mga Pinoy, syempre pag wala tay kwarta, gipit na kayo ta mo kapit man jud ta sa patalim, even though kabalo na tanga mali na siya na gina-encourage ta mo jud ta na para lang makakwarta ta unay matuskusan sa atong pamilya o pang-araw-araw kinabuhi.
So, the question is all about ganun na yung mga tao nga mabiktima sa human trafficking. So, for me, one of the reasons is that we live in a country that knowledge or education is not that accessible because as we all know, knowledge empowers every individual. So since dili man tanang tao is access to education, to quality education, that allows them to enter that work industry of being trafficked or kana dira sa human trafficking. Another one is that there is a lot of victims here in the Philippines because they lack the financial capability. Murag gana na lang ilahang last choice gani because of the hindrance financially as well as the hindrance of them to achieve kana greater life. So that is basically it. And of course, for me, naapod as someone who really critiques the government of the Philippines, naapod ko nakita kakulangan when it turns to implementing the rules and regulations and laws here in the Philippines. Yes, we do have a lot of laws, pero naay kakulangan when it terms of implementing those laws, especially with the reinforcement of the Philippine National Police as well as those na naa sa authorities. That would be all. Thank you.
So kasagaran dito, kung makita mo sa mga balita bitaw, di ba? Lagi we have pinag-exist na human trafficking, ay kaso sa mga human trafficking. Ang number one yung reason na mo makita is kawatod. Kay tungod, wala sila yung kwarta or na sila yung mga needs na gusto nilang balik pero hindi nila mapalit. Especially kwarta kay kanang pagkaon, hindi na nila makuha. So, nang lagi po yung human trafficking para sa kwarta.
So sa Philippines mangod is bahala ka na makaingunta na dili yung kay siya developed country ang Philippines, so naadya po ang poverty na nararanasan ng mga Pilipino. And then isa po na siya sa reason nga na ay human trafficking is because ang need sa mga tao ba, then ang to is ang human trafficking is kanang magbebenta or pagbubugan ng mga bata. So isa yun sa reason is kasi malaki yung kinikita kasi nila pag once na nagbebenta sila ng mga bata, so yun talaga yung nakapag-trigger sa mga tao na nagkakaroon talaga ng human trafficking dito sa Philippines. Yun naman pa, thank you.
Why human trafficking still exists? Actually, human trafficking, it is written on Republic Act 9208. What is human trafficking? It is the involved of women and children. Why human trafficking still exists? There are a lot of factors why. First is poverty and lack of education. And there are a lot more. And human trafficking still exists in many countries, including that in the Philippines.
So, nag-exist ang human trafficking tungod we have lack of education. So, yun ang ginagawa ng education. It's poverty, tungod sa kanyang kahirapan nila. So, tungod na like, may mag-offer sa akong makakonvit sa akong is makakuha ka ba nga maingan niya nga kuhan ka na niya sunod ka na nga buta, which is ka lang about trabaho na buta. And then, kung naana siya sila sa actual, like, putahay din sila sa Japan na kung tayo. So, ang offer sa ilaha, then pag-abot nila dito kay mahina sila sex slave or prostitute. So, nag-exist yung dihapon ang
There are two reasons why there are victims of human trafficking. First is poverty. Since a lot of people are, specifically women, are engaged in or victims of human trafficking since they don't have any choice but to sell their body to sustain their needs in their everyday life. Second is women are powerless among men since they, as we all know, women can don't have enough power to protect themselves from any harm.
People living in extreme poverty are more likely to accept risky job offers.
Poverty worsens. Families make heartbreaking choices, such as selling children to survive and traffickers exploit this inspiration.
Poverty makes people vulnerable to trafficking as they become easy targets for traffickers.
Human trafficking stems from and contribute to economic stability for individuals and communities.
Disparate circumstances leads individuals to migrate in search of better opportunities, to making them targets of traffickers.
Human trafficking is fueled by a high reward and low risk dynamic.